This is our mehfil. You can see there's about 5,000 people. Like when it's completely filled after Isha. And even sometimes in Ramadan, it can go till over there with the clocks, you can see. After that, my dad actually tells them about Islam and it tells the things and topics, and like he's an Islamic scholar. So he is telling people the truth about Islam. After that, he actually meets with all the people that's in this mosque. And then if anyone has questions, he can actually ask my father. He will tell him. So after that, they all go home after Isha, and it happens every Friday. We also keep a small gathering every 25th of every month. And in this, my dad tells other people how to make their hearts like clean, and he tells other people the readings and the things about Islam. And a very few people gather up in the 25th of every month, but it is really good knowledge in that. I personally went to that 25th of every gather up in this mosque, and then he tells everything about Islam and other topics of Islam. And this is our mehfil. You can see there's about 5,000 people. Like when it's completely filled after Isha. And even sometimes in Ramadan, it can go till over there with the clocks, you can see. So people gather up, they just sit there, and after iftar in Ramadan, my dad teaches, and after that we pray, and then we also recite some prayers. After that, all the go home.
Can I take a picture of it?
No problem.